drop it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's EpicMinerGaming here, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do a prank video with not a prank video, a prank website with your friend, not with your to your friend. So in this video I'm basically going to teach you miniature HTML, and I'm gonna add some music, which I probably might get a copyright notice with, but I'm gonna try and keep it under 30 seconds. So please like this video, comment on this video. Also subscribe to my friend Mr. Epic Gamer. Links down below. Also subscribe to me, please. Thank you. Thank you for watching these videos. As soon as I hit 50 subscribers, I'm going to do a subscriber montage, that is for sure. And stay tuned, keep watching, and on to the next bit. So guys, this is where I get to the HTML bit. First thing I'm going to show you guys is Notepad. So I know most people don't have well, yeah, most of the people in the world do have internet, like Wi-Fi and all that. But this is the one that comes with your computer. It's called Notepad if you use Word. That's really sad to say, but still though, Notepad is a good way, because this is the one that I learned from to do HTML. So to begin, I'm going to do HTML5 instead of doing just normal HTML. If I do normal HTML, then it might get a bit confusing. HTML5 is a bit easier. So I'm going to get into play. First of all, you want to do this. HTML. You want to write doctype HTML, and remember, since this is coding, the tab key here will be the most useful key you'd ever need to use in HTML. So now I'm just going to do HTML. I know you're not supposed to be doing this HTML again, but I like doing it this way so that I'm sure that the website is going to turn out perfectly. Since I'm going to use a little bit of CSS, it might get a bit confusing, but it shouldn't. You should just, if you get confused, just pause the video, look at the code, and from there you'll be able to figure it out. I'm going to do head, because there are two parts to a HTML. I think three, but I'm not going to do the footer today. The three parts are head and body. So have you realized how I'm always doing a slash at the end of each tag here? This slash represents finished. That's where the code finishes. So if you want, you can do, since I'm going to do like what are those Jurassic Park song, that means that I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you through File Explorer as well. Somehow every time I record a video, my watch keeps on going off. So what you want to do is you want to type what are those. You don't necessarily have to do this, but the title is at the top of the page. You know, the tab, that's where it is. Title. The body is where it's actually at, but I'm going to do the style first. Style. Because I'm doing basic HTML, basic HTML5, and basic CSS, the style tag will remain to be inside of the HTML, inside of HTML. So yeah. Body, curly bracket close, and then you do two tabs there. I'm going to background dash color equals, it's not equals, it's just a dot dot. I'm going to do light green, and at the end of each CSS tag, so this is an attribute, this is a tag, the body is the tag. So if it shows right there underneath style, it says body curly brackets, that's the tag. The background color dot green, light green, is the attribute of that tag. So at the end of each attribute, you have to do a semicolon. That's all I'm going to do for now. I think I'm going to add a border. Border. I'm going to do 10 px. I don't know border perfectly, so I'm not going to do border. I don't want to get people confused. So after the head tag is finished, that's where a new tag begins. It's called a body tag. As you heard me before, there are 3 parts, but I'm not going to do for today. It's the body. The body contains most of the things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go H1, which is header, close that off. I'm going to write what are those, not these. What are those? And that. And that. And then I'm not going to close it off like that. I'm going to close it off like this, H1. Remember, I told you in the beginning, that means finish. Cut, finish. That's where it stops. And then what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to add music, audio controls. So controls is the pause and play button, which I don't want. But I want autoplay, and loop. I close that bracket there. There's 2 ways, but I'm only going to show you 1 way today. Audio, autoplay, loop. Loop means it's going to continuously do it. Autoplay means it'll automatically start even if you say, even if they don't want you to start. So I'm going to go source. SRC also means source, but that's another way. SRC, and then from here I'm going to come onto my file explorer. Since I've done it once before, I have the stuff. Oh, I haven't saved it yet. As soon as I save it, that's when it'll be able to be done. So I go into my OneDrive, HTML. What are those? And then, because this is a HTML, I'm going to have to do this. What are those? .html. That's what it is. So since I've saved it as a HTML, this is an MP3 file. I'm just going to copy the link, not the link. I'm going to paste it. Fail. I'm going to rename this, wherever it is, and then I'm going to copy the name, and then I'm going to paste that, and then I'm going to paste it in. And remember, if you're going to do a source, it always has to be, there's always speech marks, because I forgot the other word of it. So since there's no controls, I don't have to do width. So sorry for the interruption. I know it shouldn't have affected you guys, but yeah. I'm gonna go, what are those? Since I have to do the type. The type is MPEG slash no. It's audio slash MPEG. PEG. I'm pretty sure. And then I'm just going to go audio, finish. Now I'm just going to save it again. And I'm going to go back into my folder, HTML. Now, since I use Internet Explorer, you have to go allow block content. I know I paused the recording there, but it got really loud and it really hurt my ears. So as you can see, that actually worked. I mean, like, I knew it was gonna work, but just showing you guys. So now I'm just going to add style to the heading, which is what are those? It's going to be text align equals. Oh no. because it's HTML. I mean, not HTML. It's CSS. Sorry for the speech in the background. I'm gonna go text align center, and remember space there and close. Also, I'm gonna add a bit of color to it. Color equals blue. It's gonna get closed. And also I'm gonna go font size equals why am I always doing equals 50 px. So thanks for watching this video. Actually, yeah. So this is a basic way of doing a miniature crime. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to me, subscribe to my friend Mr. Epic Gaming and Mr. Epic Gamer. Links down below, and please like this video, give it heaps of views, and I'll see you guys in the next video.